Hi, David here from Berna's Dressings. We're outside today and I'm going to show you how we barbecue burgers using Berna's honey and mustard dressing as a marinade. Just the trick for the summer months. So, first of all, always shake the dressing. Always shake the dressing before using. And just a small drop on each is sufficient. Oh, that's probably enough for all of them. I use just a bit of rosemary as a little brush. Ideally, probably should do this half an hour before cooking. Today, I'm going to go straight on the barbecue just for the purpose of this demonstration. I have lit the barbecue at least a half an hour before we cook on it, and I'm using charcoals. So we're ready to go. And I use proper lumpwood charcoal. You can use the nuggets as well, but I prefer this. I think you're always in more control of your heat. I'm just easing them off it, just make them easier for turning. Whatever you do, the long-handled implements are always better with the barbecue. Less chance of burning yourself. So here we go on the turn, right? So look at that. So the honey and mustard gives you a nice bit of caramelization, and really this is just divine. So again, you see I'm not too early with them and they're staying in one. So you really only need to turn your burgers to once. So another few minutes and they're cooked. So these are ready to come off. There you are. Berna's honey and mustard dressing uses a marinade with Kraft Butcher burgers. So I'll show you how to dress them now in a minute.
Okay, so to go with the burgers that David has just barbecued, I have sweet corn. So I have gone and bought pre-boiled sweet corn and baby sweet corn, and basically we're going to grill this on the barbecue after the burgers, and it's very hot, so they'll sizzle away. I might even just put the lid, and I haven't dressed these with anything. They're just it's a dry grill, just to give them. So I'm going to grill these on the barbecue, and then when I take them off, I'm going to throw them on the plate, back on this plate, and I'm going to drizzle our basil and lime dressing over them. And they're really delicious to have with the burgers. So I'll just have another look at these here. Okay, so these are potato wedges. So what I've done with the potatoes is they're rooster potato, and all I've done is I've literally quartered them, and I put them on a tray in my oven at 160 degrees and dry baked them. I didn't add any oil or anything to them. I dry baked them for a half an hour. And as a result, you get them really nice and crispy. They're almost like a potato crisp. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just finish them off on top of the char grill here with the barbecue with the sweet corn. And then we're going to serve them with our chili and lime dressing mixed with mayonnaise to make a lovely chili and lime dip for the potato wedges. I'll throw the potatoes on with them because you're literally just heating those up. The great thing is you can do these wedges, you know, in the morning time if you want. And while they're cooking away there, I'm going to make the mayonnaise and chili. So you can use any good homemade mayonnaise, or you can even make your own mayonnaise if you want. And then 2 spoons of that. Good dollop of our, we shake our dressings, a good dollop of our chili and lime dressing. Mix away. I'd add a bit more just to get deeper colour. So nice. Look at that, delish. So really you add this to taste and colour. There's no set amount. Really nice though for people, and they can put this with their burger or they can dip their potatoes in it. Really nice. Okay, so I'm going to take off these guys. They smell delish. The corn smells delish. So I'm going to drizzle the basil and lime over those. And there's your corn, and you could even cut those corn in half if you wanted to make them go a bit further. And again, there you go. And there you have char-grilled sweet corn drizzled with Berna's basil and lime dressing at the end.
Now, while Berna was cooking char grilling off the lovely sweet corn, the burgers have been in the oven at about 160 and they've held well, but you know they're cooked right through. So I'm going to dress this burger for you just to show you how we do it. So we use these nice brioche buns. You get them, they're widely available. So burger on, and then we take a little bit of our mixed green leaves with cherry tomatoes. Just the trick. On they go. Sorry, a few tomatoes there. We get a plate. Sorry, come over here. So then the cheese is optional. I like a bit of cheese. Actually, I'm going to put the mayonnaise on first. So this is the chili and lime mayonnaise that Berna prepared earlier. Nice dollop of that. Spoil yourself. To one side. Perfect. So, sweet corn, a few of the babies, a few of the potato wedges. There you have it. Delicious burger, marinated in the honey and mustard dressing, sweet corn and potato wedges. Enjoy.